My name is Conor Helfrich. I'm the Vice President of Business Operations at Helfrich Brothers Boiler Works. We're an industrial manufacturing company. We specialize in the engineering, fabrication, and installation of boiler components for power plants throughout the country. We also specialize in the production and fabrication of ASME pressurized tanks. We build these tanks for a variety of industries, including semiconductor, battery technology, and aerospace. Helfrich Brothers is family-owned and operated since 1948. My grandfather and his brother started the company 75 years ago after they returned from fighting in World War II. My grandfather passed the business down to my father in 1982. And my brothers and I grew up working here, and now working here with my two oldest brothers full-time has been really rewarding. I think that we all have unique perspectives on business and where this company can go, and having that diverse skill set well positions us going into the future. We always want to be expanding, whether it's acquiring more real estate so we can put new machines in there to increase our production capacity, or whether it's investing in new technology like robotic welding to create new efficiencies for our customers. These are things that we're constantly looking at, and having the support of Brookline Bank, who's provided working capital for us over the years, is very critical to supporting this.